Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, my dear student. So for today, wait for a while because I will be sharing my screen to you, okay? Okay, so can you see my screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So can you see it clearly? This one?
Hello, dear student.
Very good. Hello, dear student. So welcome to our English class with Teacher Teen. So I am Teacher Teen and I will be your teacher for today.
Okay.
Hello. Okay, very good. So how are you today?
I'm fine.
I find very good. So what about your name? What is your name?
My name is Scott. Scott.
What? Kurt?
Yes.
Kurt what?
Stay in
Kurt.
Mako.
Okay, hi Kurt. Nice meeting you.
Scott. Scott.
Skirt,
Yes.
right? Okay. Hi Skirt. Nice meeting you.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, very good. So how old are you, Skirt?
I'm 9.
9. Okay, you are 9, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you like singing, Skirt?
What?
Singing? Do you like singing? This one? Like hello, 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 that
No,
like
no, no,
singing
no,
like
no.
hello, hello like that.
No,
No.
no, no.
Okay, what about dancing like this one? Dancing. Do you like dancing?
No.
No, why? Why you don't like singing and dancing?
Because I don't like.
Okay, because you don't like. So what about watching TV? Do you like watching TV, Skirt?
Yes. Scott. Scott. Scott.
Skirt, skirt,
Yes,
skirt.
yes.
Okay, so do you like watching TV, Skirt?
Yes.
Okay, so what kind of television do you usually watch?
Movie.
What?
Movie.
A movie? Do you like watching movies? So, what kind of movie do you usually watch? Can you share it with Teacher Tian?
So many movie.
Oh my, so many movies. Okay. So, what about storytelling, Skirt? Do you like storytelling?
No, teacher.
No. Okay. So, for today, Teacher Tian will be showing you a picture. And I
Okay.
want you to analyze the picture well. You have to look at the picture very well, okay?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Give me thumbs up if you are ready. Okay, 2 thumbs up. Very good, Skirt. Okay, so now I will be showing you the picture. So this is the picture. Can you please read the title of this picture? This one.
Uh, this is my family.
This is my family. Can you read that again?
This is my family.
Wow, very good, Skirt. I like it. 2 thumbs up again. So look at the picture carefully, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what do you see or what do you notice in this picture? What do you think they are doing?
Um, there is a
What? Teacher can't hear you well.
um, they is doing a picnic.
Oh, very good. They are doing picnic. So, what else? What else can you notice in this picture?
Miss play
They are
they are playing.
very good, Skirt. Very good. 2 thumbs up again. 2 thumbs up. Very good. Teacher likes it. So, they are doing a picnic and they are playing
Play.
all together. Can you say that again? Teacher will type in. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so they are
They are doing a picnic
very good. They are doing a picnic, okay?
and and play
And
and play with
playing with,
with
they are doing a picnic and playing all together as family, right?
yes.
Very good. Can you read this one?
They are doing a picnic and playing all
All
together
together
a a
as
family.
a family. Very good. So, see, they are doing a picnic and playing all together as a family, right?
Yes,
So, did you do this kind of bonding with your family, Skirt? Are you
yes.
doing like this? Okay, every what? Every weekend or every weekdays?
Weekend.
Weekend, very good. So, where do you usually doing this one? Where do you usually doing this one?
I'm doing a picnic
Yeah, where?
in hometown.
Oh, hometown. Also in, you can do this in a very like a playground, right? Because there is a playground here like this. They
Yes,
yeah. So you have to do this every weekend with your family to spend a quality time with your family, right?
yes.
Very good, Skirt. Very good. So let's proceed to another one. So this one. This one. So we will be read this one, okay? Can you
Uh-huh.
read this one?
Grandma,
Very good. How about this one?
grandpa,
Very good. How about this one?
mom,
Very good. How about this one?
dad,
Okay, this one.
sister,
Okay, this one.
brother,
Very good. How about this one?
baby,
And the last one?
family.
So very good. So grandma is wearing a red cap, correct?
Yes.
Very good. Can you say that again?
Grandma is wearing a red cap.
Okay, very good. Grandma is wearing
Uh,
a red cap. Very good, Skirt. What about number two picture?
Number two, the
Yeah.
grandma, uh, grand,
Grandpa,
grandpa is
is
wearing a
blue shirt.
blue shirt.
Very good. Very good, Skirt. Grandpa
Is wearing a blue shirt.
very good, Skirt. What about number three?
Mm, mom is
Wearing a sunglasses,
yes,
right? Mom is
is
wearing a
wearing a sunglasses.
very good skirt. Very good. Very good. I like it. Teachers like very well. So what about in the four number? That is
Dad is wearing a blue shirt.
no, this is not a color blue.
Oh no, red shirt.
Very good, Kurt. Can you say it again? That is
Dad is wearing a red shirt.
very good, skirt. Very good. There. So what about number five, sister?
Uh, sister is wearing a red
Red.
cap.
Very good. Very good. It's a cap or it's a hat? Wearing red?
Oh, the hat. The hat.
Okay, very good. It's okay also if sister is wearing a cap, red cap. Correct also. Wearing a red cap. So what about number 6?
Number
Brother.
6.
Yes?
Brother is wearing a blue shirt.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good skirt. I like it. Wearing a blue
Blue shirt.
shirt. Very good. What about the baby? Number 7. What do you think is the baby wearing or doing?
Baby is wearing a blue.
No, that's not color blue.
Oh, green.
Very good. Very good skirt. Very good. The baby is wearing green
Shirt.
dress. No, dress. This is dress, right? So the baby is wearing a color green
Green.
dress. Can you read that again?
The baby is wearing a green dress.
Very good. So the last number, number 8. What do you think is the family doing?
The family
Is
take photo.
very good. Very good skirt. The family is
Take photo.
taking a
Photo.
together. The family is taking a photo all together. All together. So can you read this one again? The
One.
first? Okay,
One.
so
Grandma is wearing a red cap.
very good. Number 2.
Grandpa is wearing a blue shirt.
Grandpa
Grandpa. Mom is
is
wearing a sunglasses.
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 Very good. Number 4.
Dad is wearing a red shirt.
Shirt.
Sister
Very
is
good.
wearing a red cap.
Very good.
Brother is wearing a blue shirt.
Okay.
The baby
And
is wearing a color green dress.
okay, very good. And then the last number.
The family take photo all together.
Very good skirt. Clap your hands. 2 thumbs up again. Very good. So this one, another activity. So this one, this is, can you read this one?
Boxes.
Very good. This one. Buttons.
Buttons.
Very good. This one.
Pencil.
Very good. This one.
Paint.
Okay. This one.
Book.
Very good. And this one?
Glue.
Okay. And this one?
A ball.
And the last one
A
is?
paintbrush.
Okay. So can you give another sentence to these words?
I can put my...
Wait. We will do this first, the box. This is an empty
box.
box. Very good. This is an empty boxes. Okay. So number 2.
There's how many buttons?
Teacher can't hear you well. Can you repeat it again?
There are many. What's that?
No. These are what's your answer? No, the first one. The first one.
This is my empty boxes.
No, this one, number 2. What is your answer to this number 2?
There is there are many buttons.
So the correct answer is these are, or you can say this is my buttons. Can you say that one?
This is
Buttons.
this is my buttons.
Very good. Number 3.
This is my pencil.
No, this or this.
This
Very good. This. This is my
pencil.
pencil. Very good. Skirt. Number 4.
I like to paint.
What?
I like to paint.
I like to paint. Very good. I like to paint. Or you can say this is my these are, or this is my paint.
Okay.
Or you can say I have 3 paint here. The color is green. What else?
Yellow,
Yellow, and then
red.
very good. Number 5.
I like to read book.
Very good. I like to read a book. Very good, Kurt. Number 6. A glue.
I don't like glue.
I don't like glue. Okay, very good, Kurt. I don't like glue. Number 7.
Uh,
This is a, what do you think this
this
kind of
is
ball?
this is my ball.
This is my ball. Very good. This is my
Ball.
ball. Very good. And the last number is,
I'm playing with.
no. I'm painting using a paintbrush. That is
Yes.
correct also. So what's your answer?
I'm playing.
I'm painting
I'm painting
using a paintbrush. I'm painting
using
using a
brush.
paint brush. Very good. Very good, Skirt. Can you read again?
This is my empty box.
Okay,
This
number
is
2.
my
Wait,
button.
wait. Okay. Number 3.
This is my pencil.
Very good. Number 4.
I like to paint. This
Okay.
is my paint. I have 3 paints here. There is
The color is, sorry.
the color.
The color is
The color is green,
yellow.
yellow, and red.
Very good. Number 5.
I like to read book. I
Very
don't
good.
like glue.
Okay. Number
This is my
7.
ball.
Very good. And number 8, the last number.
I'm painting
painting
using a
paintbrush.
paintbrush.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Kurt. Okay, so this one will go here. This is my family.
This is my family.
This is my grandma.
This is my grandma.
You will use this if you are pointing someone. For example, this one. I have here example with me. So this is my bag. So you're gonna use this if you are pointing something. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so another example here. This is my alcohol. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you are showing something you are showing something. This is my alcohol. So can you give me another example? Skirt?
This is my pen.
Okay, very good. So this one again, that's your grandma. So, do you know this one? How to use that's, this word that's?
No.
Okay, so I will be giving you another example. So for example, I have here another alcohol or bottled water. Okay, this is
This is a bottle.
a bottled water. So, for example, the bottled water is away from me. Okay? Did you get it? Can you see Teacher Tin?
Yes.
Okay. So, for example, the bottled water here. So, I'm gonna pointing the bottled water. That is my bottled water. So, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you give me another example aside from my example?
That is my father.
Okay, so I will be asking you, how do you usually use these words?
With 3 points.
Okay, so how this one, the dot. How do you use this one?
We use to point
Some
things long.
Okay, I get it. You are pointing things that is away from you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand, Skirt? The
Yes.
difference between this and that?
Yes.
Okay, so what about the my and your? This one. So for
Mm,
example, I will be giving you another example. So the lotion. Here is the lotion. I will be saying this is my. So skirt, hello.
Yes.
For example, this is my. So I'm owning the lotion. So if I will say your, for example, this one again, lotion. This is your lotion. So I will be, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So can you give example the word my?
This is my camera.
Okay, very good. What about the word your?
This is your book.
What? I can
This
see.
is your book.
Very good. Very good. Two thumbs up again. Very good. So, wait. Okay. So we will go to another activity. Okay, wait. So it's reading time. So I know, or Teacher Tin knows that you know how to read well.
Yes.
So okay, so you have to read this one. Wait. So can you read this one?
It's so small.
It's so small. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little big. Okay.
Hmm.
How about this one? Can you read now?
No.
Oh no. Okay, so Teacher Tin will read you.
Okay.
Okay, so wait, Teacher Tin will find a way for you to read the words. So this one, can you read it now?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please read the first sentence?
This is my. I'm
I'm
Kim.
okay.
I'm with my family. It's a
Can you
nice
read it
time.
again? Can you read it again?
I'm Kim.
Very good.
I'm with my family.
Very
It's
good.
a nice day. This is my sister. She beautiful. This
She's
is my
beautiful.
she.
She's beautiful.
She is beautiful.
Very good.
This
Number
is my brother. He is 8. He's tall. This is my dad. He is tall too. And that's grandma.
and
She is,
that's my grandma.
and that's my grandma. She's funny.
Very good. Wait, I'm gonna erase this first. On the third one.
Look at my big flowers. Purple flowers, blue flowers, and
Wait, this one. Look at my big flowers.
look at my big flowers. Purple flowers, blue flowers, and white flowers.
Very good.
Oh no, my flowers.
No. Oh no, the wind, my flowers.
Oh no, the green, my flowers.
The wind.
The green.
Very good. This one.
Look, Grandpa, my mom, Dad, my dad,
My dad.
my dad, and my grandpa. Hurry, thank you, Grandpa. Now it's time for the wedding.
Now it's time for the wedding.
Now it's time for the wedding.
Very good. So, the instruction here, let the student read first. So, how many color you can see in this picture? Can you count the colors that can you see in this picture?
Oh,
What-
a picture.
Okay, so how many colors do you think? Do you know how to count?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please count all the colors here in the picture?
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, how many?
12.
12. Say it again, 12.
12.
Okay, so do you like the story?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Why you don't like this story? This story is very interesting.
No.
Okay, so they have a lot of colors. So there are 12 colors in this picture.
Picture.
So very good. So now that we are done, with reading, we will have a game. So are you excited with the game?
Yes.
I think you are excited with the game. Are you excited?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, wait for a while because we will have a game. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you know how to play this game?
No.
Wow.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Do you like this? Do you know how to play this one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so the title is Family Members for Kids. Can you read this one?
Family members for kids.
Members.
Members.
Very good.
Members.
Okay, for kids.
For kids.
Very good. So number 1. This one. This one. Can you read this one?
He is my father.
Very good. The correct answer is father. This one, okay? What do you think the boy is holding here? What do you think
Boy.
this one?
Oh, the fish.
The boy is holding
a fish.
very good. The boy is holding a fish. What
The
do
boy
you what do you think is his father wearing? What the color of his father wearing?
is purple.
Very good. It's purple.
Is purple.
It's purple.
Is purple.
Very good. What about this kid?
Is green.
Very good. Its color?
It's color green.
Very good. So let's proceed to number 2. He is my
He is my brother.
very good. The correct answer is
Brother.
brother. So how many person here in number 2?
Is 2 person.
2 person. They are 2 person. Very good. So this one, what color this one? He is wearing.
He is wearing orange
Very good.
shirt.
It's color orange shirt. What about this one?
He is wearing
He's wearing color.
green.
Very good. Very good. It's color green. What about this one? What color is this? The sock.
Is red.
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 Very good. Very good. Let's proceed to number 3. She is my
She's my mother.
very good. She is my mother. So what do you think the girl is holding?
The girl is holding the
The
flower.
girl? No, no. The girl is holding a
Flower.
Can you say it again? The girl is holding a flower.
A girl is holding a flower.
Very good. What color is the flower? This one. What color is this?
Is yellow.
Very good. So what about the color of the shirt of the mother?
Is
One.
pink.
It's color pink. Very good. What about the girl, the baby girl? What color is this?
Is blue.
It's color
Blue.
blue. Very good. So wait for a while. I'm gonna erase this first.
Yes.
Did you learn something?
Yes.
Very good. That's the very important thing you have to learn. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. The number 4. What do you think? She is my
She is my grandmother.
grandmother. She is my grandmother. Very good. What do you think the grandmother is holding?
The grandmother is holding a cake.
Very good. Very good. You know how to make sentence. Very good. Number 5. He is my
He's my grandfather.
very good. Do you know this one?
What? Yes.
This one.
No, no,
What?
no.
Okay, so I will be teaching you. If what do you call this one?
I don't
Okay?
know.
I will be help you to guess what is this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what about this one first? The grandfather is wearing
A white shirt.
no. Oh yeah, it's white shirt. What about this one in his eyes?
Um,
This one.
my grandpa is wearing a
Glasses.
brown glasses.
It's okay, very good. So this is a walking stick. Remember, take note. This is a walking stick. Okay? This one. This is
Stick.
a
Walking stick.
Very good. So let's proceed to this one. He is my, what do you think? He is
Father.
my,
He's my father.
very good. He is my father. So the father is also wearing a, what do you think the father is
It's
wearing?
orange t-shirt.
Very good. What else? This one.
Blue glasses.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Very good. My father is wearing a orange shirt and a sunglasses. Very good. So what about this one?
He's
He
my
is
grand.
my,
He's my brother.
very good. He is my brother. So what do you think they are holding? What is this? This one.
Book.
Very good. This one.
Book.
Book. So my brother is wearing a
Glasses.
very good skirt. Very good. So let's proceed to the last two. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, I know you're excited. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay, this one. They are my,
They are my grandparents.
very good. So grandma is holding a what is this?
It's flower.
Okay, grandma is wearing a flowers. Say it again. Say it again.
Uh, grandma is holding.
Grandma
Grandma
a
is holding a flower.
very good skirt. So the last one. The last one.
They are
They
my
are my,
family.
very good. They are my family. So do you have this pet in your house? This one, the
I have
cats and
cat.
the dogs?
I
Wow. So what is the name of your cat?
I don't know.
Why? Why you don't know? You have to name your cat. I
Okay.
have I have here cat. The name of my cat is Kitty.
Okay.
Okay, so let's proceed for your assignment, okay?
Uh,
Okay, I will give you assignment so that you will have you will have to bring me on our next meeting, okay?
okay.
Okay, so homework, read loud and record the video reading. So you have to read these words and you have to record yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for today. Score. Thank you for listening with Teacher Tin.